Good day, my flicky friends, and welcome back to another one with Switchblades EDC. I hope you're good. Before we begin, like this video so we can get it recommended to people just like us. Today we'll be looking at two Frankie B 9-inch, that is Frank Baltram 9-inch Stiletto Switchblades in black and white acrylic. They are both kris. One is an older make and one is a newer make. So let's look at the differences from old and new. Okay, so let's check it out here. So this one is the older one on the left, the black. This is the newer one. I'm not quite sure, this can be maybe 80s or 90s, the black one. As you can see, the new one over here, the springs are much thicker. Let's turn them around. Blades seem to be much thicker also. Just see if I can. Ah, that's better. Okay, let's fire them up. This one I got first a couple of years ago. This one I got this year actually. So let's fire them up. Old school Frankie B. See, this old school one doesn't have a hole through the sear pin, and just feels smooth and much more sleek. This one, imitation ivory, newer 2.0 Frankie B's. You can see the sear pin is all the way through there. It's the newer style. So let's compare them. Both are nicer, but I got to say the sleeker one on the right, the black one, it's much more sleeker. And let's see. Let's compare the blades and the back springs. Yeah, it's a big difference on the blades. The springs, both very cool. Let's see inside there. This one is much older. Let's do another one. Like and subscribe. See you next time.